Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to embed a GIF in Google Slides for 2025. If you're looking to spice up your presentations with some dynamic visuals, this is the perfect guide. GIFs can make your slides more engaging, whether you're creating a school project, a business pitch, or just something fun for social media. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and have Google Slides open. Start by creating a new presentation or opening an existing one. This is straightforward. Head to slides.google.com and get started. Step 1. Once your slide is ready, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Image. You'll see options like Upload from Computer, Search the Web, or Google Drive. For this tutorial, let's use Upload from Computer, if your GIF is saved locally. Step 2. Browse your files, select your GIF, and click Open. Google Slides in 2025 has improved support for GIFs, so it should import seamlessly. If your GIF is from the web, choose By URL and paste the link instead. Step 3. After inserting, the GIF will appear on your slide. You can click and drag to resize or reposition it. Don't forget to align it properly with your content for the best look. Step 4. Sometimes, GIFs might not animate immediately. To check, switch to slideshow mode by clicking the Present button. In the 2025 update, Google Slides handles animations more efficiently, so your GIF should play automatically once the slide is active. A quick tip: keep your GIF files optimized. Aim for under 2 megabytes to avoid slowing down your presentation. This ensures smooth playback, especially if you're sharing with others. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a GIF in Google Slides. This simple addition can really elevate your presentations. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.